Hello again, everybody. Today I am bringing you one of my very favorite subscription boxes, and that is the Simply Earth Essential Oils Recipe Box. It comes with 4 essential oils, other ingredients to make different things. Last month we made a hand sanitizer, bath soak, a surface cleaner, lip balms. We made awesome things. I can't wait to see what's inside this. Let's open it up. Inside, we always get your labels so you can label everything that you make. The 4 essential oils and other things. Here, let's start with the oils. We've got the coffee extract, coffee essential oil, it's not extract. That is going to be amazing if you infuse that in the house. Oh, that makes me want coffee. It smells just like really strong coffee. Can you imagine that diffusing and your house smelling like coffee? Just give you all that energy. That'll be neat. And then we have one, it's a blend called Veins. This says it gives, it's good for blood circulation and reducing the appearance of unsightly veins. It has cypress, juniper berry, and lemon essential oil. That sounds like that would smell good. Very fresh. You can smell the lemon and a little bit of the juniper. Excuse me. Next, we have fir needle. I imagine this is going to smell like pine. It does. It smells like pine, but also kind of a green grassy scent in there too. That's neat. And then the original box came with frankincense, but I had enough frankincense left over from last time that I had them replace it with lemon. I had run out of the lemon, and there was only a $2 charge to swap those out. And I love lemon. It's my very favorite. I've been using it a lot. Now I noticed on the side we've got this rose hydrosol. This is not an oil. This is the water left over from making the rose oil. This is not as concentrated, and you can put it directly on your skin, and it smells amazing. I've already used half the bottle. There's recipes using that, and I'll show you here in a minute. And then it also came with, you can see I've already opened it, this is French green clay. This comes in handy with the recipes that it came with too. So let me get the recipes and I'll show you. So these are the recipes that come with the box. There's also information on the back about the oils. The first one we have is a espresso diffuser blend. So this is supposed to help your house smell like coffee and to give you energy. I do recommend though, if you make this, it calls for 2 drops of frankincense for every drop of coffee. That's a little strong on the frankincense. It overpowers the coffee a little bit. So I would do a 1-to-1 mixture, or more coffee than frankincense. The next recipe is the rose hydrosol bath. You use the rose hydrosol and you supply the Epsom salts and put it in your bath, and it's amazing. I've already taken 2 of these. Next up, we have the clay and rose face mask. I've also already done this. You use the rose hydrosol and the green clay and make a face mask. Also amazing. Pours all those impurities out of your pores. It did make my skin a little dry, but I just moisturized right back up. Next up, we have a skin healing body butter. This uses the coconut oil and the fractionated coconut oil. It comes in the base box that you get every 6 months. And then the Veins essential oil, a little bit of that French clay, and you whip that up to make a body butter. I'm excited to try that. Next, we have the Veins sugar scrub. You use the Veins blend, a little bit of coconut oil, some sugar, and you mix that up to make a scrub. It's almost like a spa day. And then the Alert Roll-On, you use the coffee and a little bit of the fir needle, a little bit of the Veins blend, and some coconut oil and the roll-on bottle that comes in the base box, the bonus box, to make an Alert Roll-On. That'll be nice. I might put that in my work bag. So here is the back of one of the cards that shows a little bit about the oils, the different oils, even extra uses that you can use them for. For example, Veins blend is safe for kids 2 and up. It's pregnancy safe. It is safe with cats when you use caution so they can get away. It is also dog safe to diffuse and use. I think that's very helpful if you're not familiar with the different oils. And there's also a sneak peek for next month's box. The theme is Mood Boost, supporting your emotional wellness. There'll be 6 recipes in there. Like I said, this is one of my favorite boxes. Every month I look forward to the different things that you can make. You know, essential oils are not just for diffusing, they have other practical uses. So it's an awesome box. So like I mentioned, there is a bonus box. The first time you order, you will get this big bonus box, and it has the different carrier oils that you need. It also has some roller bottles and some empty dropper bottles like this for making your own blends. I made the espresso diffusing blend and put it in here, and then I need to cut out this label and put it on here so I know what blend that I have. It's an awesome deal. I'll put some details in the description box if you want to check it out. They are 100% pure. They even test each of their batches to make sure that they have so much of the essential ingredient in each batch, which I really appreciate. They have me sold on essential oils. I was a skeptic before, I'll be honest. As a nurse, I wanted to know the science behind all of this hoopla, but I'm a believer. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned. I do have some more boxes arriving today that we're going to unbox. Some exciting stuff coming up. See you then. Bye.